Okay, so update on the unexplained cylinder 6 misfire on this car. I removed the catalyst on that cylinder, bank 2, no issue, put it back, then drove the car until fuel light warning come up, low fuel warning. I went and bought fuel on total free station today, put it only 10 liters, took it on a highway, push it hard, no more issue, no more misfire, no more hesitation. So I want to believe it most likely was the bad fuel I bought when this issue started that pumped that misfire. So as it is now, as you can see, no more problem. So be mindful of where you buy fuel. That's why I always buy fuel from Total. I made the mistake and I paid dearly. All right.